Okay, I think we're going. Cool. Put these in the local analysis. Okay. You know what we can do is add another parallel channel. If it will let me. There, like that. Another parallel channel in there. Alright, that looks good. Jesus, so weird. But we can add one right here. That should really pretty much be it. Possible. It's kind of too soon for this, but okay, that's pretty much it. And move on to monthly. Still have that tap month. I'm just gonna keep that there. It's been a well-respected level. Right now it's just support. So yeah, I'll just leave it on my chart. But these are the fib resistances at the moment. So value area low is right below us. The resistance for this would be around 38,000. The one that I'm really more looking at that one's a weird one. I'm gonna delete that one. This one's the one I'm more looking at. If we can break above this value area low at 31,500, could come up to the point of control, and that would be very bullish. So just breaking above here, this level, will be very bullish. Let me actually kind of update that, but yeah, want to see a good break. At least a 4-hour close above this July value area low, then that will be very bullish. Then of course we have the wicks, swing failure patterns. Suppose I can keep, I'll get rid of it. Get rid of that too. I'll update this guy. But this one is still kind of current resistance. So yeah, this might have an actually nice confluence. Oh, I guess not. Let me actually just kind of modify this. Okay, doesn't really make too much of a difference, but I do like that better. See here, where's the naked daily? Okay. So we got a naked daily point of control around 299. $297.50. $293.14. 30 to 52. And then previous week value area high, 34. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the naked weekly. Naked monthly. Again, nothing has really changed there. So yeah. Let's see here. We'll take a look at this. We'll do some local analysis. Let me turn this on. So we got a time price opportunity way down there. $31.25. Really not sure what to make my naked sessions color, but we'll do this. These can be little scalps. And then of course we got 29975. Yeah, I'll just delete that for now. But yeah, that's pretty much it for Bitcoin. All right. So a lot of confluence are around 30,000. Possibly pull back to here. That's what I'm really looking at locally right now. Let me just update this. But yeah, looking at this locally. So yeah, this 29,900. Yo. What's up, Sebastian? But yeah, this is a naked daily point of control, 382, naked session point of control, and kind of a naked weekly point of control. So really this is kind of a range that I'm looking for a scalp. I do expect us to kind of dump down here and then just kind of bounce back up from this. And then again, for a very bullish market structure, let me see here. Where's my brush? Okay, here. Kind of want to see this, possibly. And then finally get a rejection off of here. I don't really expect a deeper pullback, but again, there is nice confluence here still. But I do expect us to kind of dump down, grab liquidity at the naked weekly point of control, as that is a new naked week point of control. And just kind of pump up from there. Hey, Jason. So that's pretty much it for Bitcoin. Moving on to Ethereum. Let me fix this up. Wick, July. Okay. So yeah, I still like to keep this old parallel channel. We can possibly add a new one. Something like this. Try to make that straight. Something like that. Or this is kind of a deviation. Same as right here. So we'll have that, but very nice respect for the lows right here. So it is a respected parallel channel. And then of course, the old parallel channel resistance could be like the 2600 range. Depends on how far we come up, but again, it's kind of what I want to see. But we can start off with marking out our support and resistance. And then we can have another daily right below here. And then of course a daily resistance. So, very nice. We can do weekly supports. Again, I'm probably going to get rid of that. Add possible new week support. This one I'm not really relying too much off of right now. Because the weekly hasn't really closed. It'll become more reliable once that weekly closes, but I'll just keep it there just in case. And then of course our monthly, not much has changed, so I'll just leave that be. And then of course our major resistances. Okay, those are updated. Fib support. Again, the 786 1100 ETH. Still really like the last resort for super bearish scenario. But I'll just leave that there just in case. Then we got this to be worried about. I'm going to update this a little bit. So this kind of shifts up the valley area low. This valley area low is resistance currently. So that's about 26.27. And then we'll just kind of shift up the valley area high. But yeah, this is a nice volume range that I'm looking at, and then the July from back here is another range that I'm kind of looking at. Right now, currently, the July range value area low is kind of resistance at 2138. Then, of course, if we can break above that point of control from the July range, that will be very bullish. As you can see, this was kind of the major resistance Ethereum had to get past to be very bullish. So we kind of pumped up through that, the point of control right here. So yeah, just levels to be aware of. But you can look at EXO for this. Turn on the Ethereum chart here. So 2012. So yeah, that's it there. Where's this previous week value area low? Still another 2012. Nice support to bounce off of. Previous week value area low. Then of course the previous week point of control. 1919. Where is that? It's way up here. No, that can't be right. 1990. And then 2052. And then, of course, update the weekly open 2040. Yep. And then naked month, not too much there. But so what I can do now is just do some fibs, do some expansion levels. These kind of work more on altcoins, but still, nevertheless, I'll do it on Ethereum. I'll draw some Fibonacci time. So this big move I'll take note of. See how well respected this is. So yeah, these have been on pivot points, so I'll kind of leave that for now. Could possibly do this large pivot point and just kind of see how that goes. So this could be a possibility too. I'll just add that to fib support. And then of course we can do a fib negative if we want. Yeah, right here. So yeah, just possible price targets that we're looking at. I don't know, I think I'll delete that for right now, but so yeah, just looking at that. Fib extension. So we got the I'll turn off this. The 618 is of importance. 13 we can turn off. And then of course we can turn off these extreme ones. Yeah. But that is almost it for Ethereum. Let me do, where is it? We'll do sessions. These might not work as well for Ethereum, but still would be interesting. So around 20, 28. I'll go to a lower time frame. Turn on everything here. Again, I do have them marked out for Bitcoin, but usually Ethereum just kind of copies Bitcoin. Yeah, there's not really any significance right there. But this 2010 does look so yeah, I'll probably just get rid of this. But this 2010 level does look good. Yeah. So yeah, just updating this. July range. And of course we'll update this volume range. But yes, this level looks very good. 2012, because we got a point of control from this range, kind of a 0.5 fib level, naked session point of control, naked weekly point of control, a daily level. So I'm looking for a bounce from here on Ethereum, and then really a kind of a long setup I'd have. Like that. That'd be a possible long scenario. But again, it depends on what Bitcoin does. Bitcoin is lining up with a 382, so it could be a possibility that we do come down to that. Again, just going back to Bitcoin right here. Again, just kind of the same scenario. Or we could come down a little bit deeper, grab this naked weekly point of control, but nevertheless, something like that I'm looking at. But right now we're rejecting off the value area high. But yeah, just something that I'm looking at right now. I suppose we can do a fib expansion or fib extension. Turn off the 101 and just keep everything else on pretty much. Turn off of that. But I doubt we'll ever come that low, but it's a possibility. But yeah, this 24K 1214. I'll add this onto fib. So yeah, there's the analysis. So yeah, I'll post these in the Discord. Be cool to take a trade live on stream. But yeah, that's pretty much it, what I'm looking at. So I'll post these, this chart in the Discord under my trading levels, and then we'll call it a day.